In this video, we are going to show you how you can use Manus AI to create content for YouTube. Now, creating content for YouTube, this is a branch path, right? It's just not one road to creating content. So, different types of content you create for YouTube. You can create thumbnails, you can create AI generated video clips, and then you can create audio, sounds, or SFX, right? These are three main things you can do. So, for example, let's say I want you to act as a professional thumbnail maker for a YouTube channel. I want you to make a thumbnail a la Mr. Beast about a video of being stranded in an island for one day, right? The generate an image of a male person, white, in his 20s as the main character for this thumbnail, right? And then just do that. Now it's going to take a while, right? So now it's going to create that, right? Depending on what you're asking for it to do, if you want a presentation, then it's just going to take minutes, maybe even longer. So now it's creating the thumbnail that we're asking for. We're asking for a Mr. Beast-esque thumbnail for it to create. If you want to see what it how it's doing or the computer, just click on this. And as you can see here, this is the Manus's computer, right? And again, you're using the typical, and as you can see, this is pretty much it, right? It has created us a thumbnail. There you go. So I've created, and it's going to explain to you what it's created, right? This is a computer. It's the same thing, right? And the good thing about this is scaled up for the thumbnail that you need for YouTube, right? You don't need to resize this at all. So pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. I'll see you on the next video.